Just figure you come outside for a minute, you know, enjoy the fresh air and ain't nobody know what a straight line wind feels like, boy. It's almost like them tornadoes. She comes out of nowhere. You know, they say it sounds like a train coming in. But what it really is just a straight line wind here. Shingles come flying by, you know, tree limbs are snapping in the background, but just a thunderstorm. Shit! Tell you what, this some bitch was bending trees over, boy. Old Mother Nature, boy. She got a little nasty. It's like the movie Twister. Got wires blowing in.